Hello everyone, I want to talk about this piece of equipment today. This is an industrial vacuum cleaner, as it says on internet. And I like it a lot, that's why I am reviewing it, because this is a really cheap stuff, nothing fancy like from Festool or something like that. It is so awesome that I want just talk about it a bit. You have three options, like doesn't work right now. When I will click over here, it will get loud. Let's try it. It just works. It was just working normally, but when I connect over here my tool, this. I've connected this piece of high-tech equipment. Let's try it. I will click here and it will start. Oh, it didn't. Why not? Because over here I need to switch it on auto. And right now, let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Perfectly. Maybe I don't know what this is for, but I think when you have water inside, then you could let it just flow or something. Yeah. But oh, the camera. And this is inside of the of this thing. I forgot the name. When you are looking for something cheap with this which is working, has like big wheels. Okay, only these over there are big. These ones are not that big. 50 till 100 bucks or euros on these nice shiny colors. One project I want to make with this guy is for another type of bigger dust, bigger flakes, wood or something like that. I want to, in between, use a, let's say, cyclone, which I will 3D print, and we will check on it if it works with it as well, if it will be like, let's say, a bit better.